Hi, hello everyone. Uh, you are welcome to RR Consultancy Assignment Guidance, your go-to place for simple tips and tricks to make your academic and professional work easier. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our guidance videos. Okay, so in today's video, I will show you how to use voice typing in MS Word or Microsoft Word. This feature is extremely helpful if you want to save time, avoid typing long assignments manually, or maybe if you prefer speaking instead of typing. And by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to dictate your text directly into Word. Let's begin. So first, you need to open MS Word, right? So I already opened, you can see, and then under the home ribbon button, you can see here the top right corner, you can see a dictate options with a microphone button, right? So we need to click it. After click, you can see the options dictate, right? So after clicking dictate, you are getting these options, right? Where you can see a microphone. If you hover over there, your mouse pointer, you can see start dictations. So now I show you how to do dictate in MS Word. Let's start. I need to click it. Okay, now it already start. Now for an example, if I will say this is a demo of voice typing in MS Word, full stop, and you can see it typed instantly, full stop. If we like to add punctuation in it, you can also do the same, right? Like you can also say punctuation comments like comma, full stop, new line. So I just stop dictations. Uh, just you need to simply click the same microphone button where you start. So you can see that I can easily dictate just with by speaking, and you can say any kind of punctuations like I did. You can see like comma. If you say comma, it will put comma here. If you say question mark, it will put question mark here. If you say new line, it will begin to the next line as well. Okay, so this is our topic, and that's it. You now know how to use voice typing in Microsoft Word to make your assignment writing faster and easier. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our consultancy assignment guidance for more helpful tutorials. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.